Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a really quick review on a product that I recommend to my makeup appointment clients all the time. I know it's really hard to find a cleansing oil that doesn't make you feel sticky and gluggy and just like you've literally covered your face in cooking oil, and this here is one of my favorites. I use it all the time. This is like a little travel size one. You can get a larger size, but I personally prefer to have sizes where if I was to go anywhere overnight or for the weekend, it's super handy and easy to take with you. So this is the Kiehls Midnight Recovery Botanical Cleansing Oil. It has Primrose Oil in it, Lavender Essential Oil, and Squalane in it as well. And one thing I will say, if you've got super sensitive skin to anything fragrance based, so any of your oils, don't come near this. Some people react really badly to anything mineral based, so when you're using things like lavender oil especially is a big one, some people will flare up and it doesn't work very well for their skin. So if you are someone who doesn't do well with natural fragranced oils or extracts, avoid this one. Don't put this on your skin, but it could be good to recommend to someone else. So we are going to be taking off my makeup today with this little baby. I have literally got a brand new one, so I can show you guys. When you open it up, you have the little seal cap on top, so you will take that off as normal and you are good to go. So what I'm going to be doing is massaging this onto my skin and showing you the difference of how it takes off a full heavy look of makeup, because realistically you want it to work for makeup and without makeup when we just have naturally oily, shiny, dirty skin. So you want it to work for both. What we're going to be doing is taking some on my hand. As you guys can see, I'm just pouring that out, and I'm going to start massaging it onto my skin first. But what you want to do is actually add a little bit of water. I'm actually going to use rose water because I have such sensitive skin, and massage it in with that too. So I'm just distributing it on top of my skin first. I have just remembered I have eyelashes on, so let's take this lash off. Oh, best feeling ever at the end of a day. Oh my god, did I glue it down with like super glue or something? Ooh. Oh, that feels so good. I'm just gonna pop that on the ground. It's so bad, but it is what it is. So let's work that into the skin a little bit more. I'm going to grab one more drop. So I'm literally working with drops of this product because I want to show you how a little bit of this goes a really long way. I'm just going to spray some rose water on my hand and massage this into my skin. And it feels really nice, like while you're moving it on top of the skin, it doesn't feel too sticky or too heavy. I'm such a texture person myself. Personally, I hate when things feel too heavy. I'm not a moisturizing person. Like, I will of course put moisturizer on all the time, but it looks so funny. But I hate the feeling of products that are so heavy and just like they just make you feel kind of like your skin's suffocating almost in a way. Tiny bit more of the rose water. So I really enjoy using products that they feel nice. It's like a good experience using that on your skin. Let's just massage that in a little bit more. Move the lipstick. And you can already see, I haven't wiped it off to show you properly, but see how that's really moved into my foundation, into my brows, into my bronzer, my eye makeup. I have waterproof mascara on because I have got the worst allergies at the moment. Honestly, it's driving me up the wall. So we will see how it works with the waterproof mascara as well. massaging that over top of the eyelid. And you just want to make sure when you are cleansing your skin, you're not being too rough or vigorous moving around, because our skin is so delicate that you actually want to be quite delicate with your skin. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking a little microfiber cloth and just gently rubbing that over the skin. Oh my god, I feel like I can breathe again. As much as I absolutely love makeup, I am someone who hates, by the end of the day, you just feel like you want to scratch all your makeup off. That is me. That is literally how I feel all the time. And just delicately going over top of the eyes. We don't want to pull the eyelid or underneath the eye skin too much. Nice and sensitive area. And you will see very shortly that my skin is having the biggest flare up ever with my psoriasis and my seborrheic dermatitis, particularly on this side actually around my ear. So that's going to be great to show you guys what skin can actually be like in real life. I feel like skin conditions don't get spoken about enough, even just dehydration in the skin. It's something that we actually need to be more aware of and know how normal it is. So this is the difference between makeup and a very quick and easy removal with the Kiehls cleansing oil. I'm now going to do the other side, so we'll whiz through that together. So you can see all the makeup here. I'm going to fold that over so we're using the clean side now. I really don't like using a dirty side of a wipe, a face washer, anything on top of my skin. So once you've cleansed one side, I always swap so you're using another clean side on the opposite side of your face. And with my skin, I'm extremely sensitive to so many things. So bear in mind, at the top of my head you will see a little bit of redness and dryness from my seborrheic dermatitis and my psoriasis. But for me to not have any reactions at all to this product, I think is an absolute win for people that have sensitive skin, as someone who is very sensitive to pretty much all ingredients at some time. I am that problem person. So you can see how good this cleanser is on my skin. Other than around my hairline where my seborrheic dermatitis and my psoriasis is, I've been a bit naughty with sweet treats lately, so just excuse me. I am a bit tempted with wheat and dairy sometimes, even though I know I shouldn't be eating it. But my skin is so clean and it feels so fresh as well. So I am very dry naturally, which even with my skin condition at the top here, the rest of my face is fairly dry. I could comfortably not put any moisturizer on and still feel really relaxed. I don't know the word for it. Comfortable. I'd still feel comfortable. I don't feel tight. I don't feel dry. It's just really comfortable on the skin. You can see it's taken off all of that waterproof mascara that I had on, all of my eye makeup, which I did have quite heavy eye makeup on today, being a full glam makeup look. It's taken all the lip products off. Even my lips don't feel dry, which is really nice. So imagine how good your skin would feel when you put your moisturizer or your serum on top. I recommend this product to a lot of my clients just because I find it works for all skin types as well. And if you are someone that's got slightly oilier skin, please don't be scared of using a cleansing oil on your skin. I know that there's this misconception where oil with oil makes more oil, but what actually happens when a lot of people with oilier skin, so it doesn't mean that you have super oily, it could be maybe your T-zone, combination skin, what happens when you use an oil cleanser or even in a nighttime oil as well, maybe instead of a moisturizer, a lot of people do that, is it actually helps reduce your natural sebum levels on the skin, which is your natural oils. So a lot of the time our skin is overproducing oils, and what happens when you use an oil-based product on top of your natural oils, your skin kind of restarts itself, works out it doesn't need to be producing that much shine, and it will reduce. So you could always give it a go. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed my really quick mini review of a product that I personally really love and I use really often. And like I said, I recommend it to so many people as well. I have loved giving you guys another mini review, and I can't wait to do more in the future as well. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all have a really good rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!